Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the too many requests in Claude AI 2026. If Claude shows too many requests error, it means you're sending requests faster than the system allows. This is very common in 2026, especially during heavy usage. So let's fix it without losing access just by following these few simple steps. As you can see in my screen, this is the error you might be encountering, the error 429. It says too many requests like this. So if you're encountering this error, the first thing you want to do is to pause for a few minutes. Claude limits how often you can send messages. So stop sending messages for 1 to 5 minutes, then try again slowly. Once you do that, you can also avoid rapid resending. Do not click send repeatedly. Just by clicking on here, once you click on send, you're gonna click on send too many times. Now, don't click on it too many times and refresh and resend instantly. This can extend the block. The third thing you want to do is to reduce message frequency. Instead of many small messages, combine related questions into one clear prompt and check your plan. Now, free accounts have stricter limits. Claude Pro users usually have higher request limits. You can upgrade your plan just by going to the settings and you're going to click on your account here. Once you click on your account, you're going to click on the settings. That means the gear icon. You're going to click on it. It's like this. And once you access here, you're going to click on upgrade to upgrade your plan. Now, Cloud Pro users usually have higher request limits. And that's it. The too many request message is a protection limit, not a ban. Waiting briefly and sending fewer messages will restore normal access in Cloud 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.